We're getting ready to do the 4-box break of the black and gold 2014 football. And all I have to do is check, make sure we got everybody paid, and then we can rock and roll. Alright, we're ready to go. Alright guys, first box, good luck to everyone. Pack 1 and pack 2. And that's the second. Arms ain't that long. Let's get this a little closer. Alright guys, good luck to everybody. First box. And Ebron, seal of approval, going to Detroit. Next card is Murray, going to the Cowboys, number to 99. Sorry guys, I didn't tell you this one. Number to 149. Number to 99. Next card is Mr. Cooks for the Saints, number to 299. Next card is Mr. Richardson, Jumbo Patch Gold Auto, and that's 184 out of 190, or 199. Next hit is seal of approval for Mr. Freeman, going to Atlanta, number 20 out of 149. Seal of approval. Next hit is Mr. Graham, going to the Saints, number 49 out of 199. Next, we have Alex Smith and Mr. Aaron Murray, dual patch for the Chiefs, 89 out of 149. Next card, Mr. Benjamin for the Carolina Panthers, 75 out of 199, Jumbo Patch Gold Auto, going to Carolina. And the next one, Phillip Rivers, 134 out of 149, seal of approval, going to the Chargers. And that's the first box. Alright, next box. Two packs. Alright guys, 2 packs for the second box. Good luck. We got Mr. Murray, 131 out of 199, going to the Chiefs. Next, Elway, 19 out of 99, going to Denver. And Jimmy Garoppolo, 3-color patch, number 283 out of 299, going to the Patriots. Next we have, well, look at this one. How about that for the Ravens? Don't see many Raven hits in here, but there you go. Dual auto for the Ravens. You got Lorenzo and Timmy. 28 out of 99. Dual auto going to the Ravens. Don't see him much, but nice hit for the Ravens. A little spread out. Next, we got dual team symbols. Carr and Jones. Numbered 19 out of 25 going to the Raiders. Next we have Mr. Thomas going to the Chiefs. 67 out of 99. And looks like we have another duel for Robert and Charles. Dual autograph for Tampa Bay. 28 out of 99. Going to Tampa Bay. And next we have excuse me, Andrew Luck, gold standard. Number 3 of 10 going to the Colts. Nice hit for the Colts. And the last of the second box is going for Mr. Morris for the Redskins. 144 out of 149, seal of approval. 2 duels in that one. Not a bad box. Ravens got him something out of it. My YouTube link. All you have to do is go on YouTube, search Ballpark Collectibles. You will see a storefront, which that is my link. Just click on that link and it has all the breaks in it. And they are dated. It's under Ballpark Collectibles. Let's see, any Rams. I think you might have a base for the Rams, but no approvals or no autographs or jerseys. I will do a recap for everyone afterwards, because I know some guys come on a little bit late. These foil packs are a trip. Alright guys, 2 packs, 3rd box. Let's see what we got. Good luck. For Clowney for the Texans, 122 out of 199. No problem, my friend. Buffalo, Mr. Spiller, seal of approval. Number 11 out of 149. Going to the Bills. Next we have for Tennessee, Mr. Sankey, numbered 39 out of 99. Got a 2-color top, solid middle, 2-color bottom. Going to Tennessee. Next we have, let's see, is Jordan Nelson, numbered 48 out of 75 for the gold autograph. Going to Green Bay. Next we have team symbol for Johnny Manziel, numbered 67 out of 99, going to the Browns. And we have Andrew Luck, 88 out of 99, going to the Colts. We have Devontae Adams, 128 out of 199. Going to Green Bay. Don't see this one very often. Here we go. A duel for the Jets. We got Quincy. And we've got, I always mess this guy's name up, Tervo, I think is how you say it. Dual rookie autos for the Jets. 51 out of 99. You got 2 teams you don't see much of. And it looks like we got a random on this one. We've got Brett Favre and Warren Sapp. Number 21 out of 25. That's Green Bay and Tampa Bay. We'll have to random this one off at the end. That's a nice hit. Good luck to the two guys that got that. And we got a seal of approval for Jimmy Garoppolo. 37 out of 149. Going to the Patriots. Alright guys, we have 1, 2 random. Open the fourth box. We'll do the random. Then I will do a recap for everyone. Unpack. 2 packs. Pack number 1. And pack number 2. Alright guys, last 2 packs of the fourth box. Good luck to everyone. Let's see what we got. We got seal of approval, Matt Ryan going to the Falcons. 42 out of 149. We've got, for the Broncos, Latimer. Jumbo patch auto. 66 out of 199. And we've got Mr. West for the Browns. 3 patch, all solid. 65 out of 299. Going to the Browns. And we've got Mr. Irvin, old school. 37 out of 49. Going to the Cowboys. And we've got team symbols for Marquise Lee for Jacksonville Jaguars. 92 out of 99. Going to Jacksonville. Next we have seal of approval for John Brown for the Cards. 134 out of 149. Going to the Cards. And next we have Mr. Benjamin Jumbo Auto. 37 out of 199. Going to Carolina. And we have Mr. Freeman going to the Falcons. 3-color solid patch. 283 out of 299. And the last card is Mr. Decker for the Jets. 78 out of 199. Alright guys. Man, I'm sorry you got ads again, buddy. We're going to do a random, and then I'll do a recap for everyone so everybody will see what's going on. And I don't know if the guy heard me, but he said something about a Rams hit on the 5-star. So if you are in here, what I did is when we had the redemption, I just used one of the National Treasure cards to cover it so we could read it. That's what you seen. It wasn't a 5-star hit. Alright, let's get the random going here. Make sure it's up and kicking. Alright. So random we have. Favre and Sapp. Alright, go here. Alright guys, we're going to random off the dual patch. It's number 21 out of 25. It's Brett Favre and Warren Sapp. So it is Green Bay and Tampa Bay. So good luck to you two. We'll get this over here so y'all can see it. Alright. We're going to go to the dice roller first. Get this right here so you can see it. Dice roller. Alright. I'm going to put much of a higher number. Alright guys, 11 times. Let's go. We got Favre and we've got Sapp. That's from left to right. We're going 11 times, guys. And there's 1. Favre. 2. Favre. 3. Favre. 4 is Favre. 5 is Sapp. 6 is Favre. 7 is Sapp. 8 is Sapp. 9 is Sapp. 10 is Sapp. Number 11, guys. Good luck. And it goes to Tampa Bay for Sapp. Nice hit for Tampa Bay. It's a good looking dual jersey card. Alright guys, we will do a recap. And we just seen this one for Tampa Bay. Got Decker for the Jets, $1.99. We've got Freeman, $2.99. Falcons. Got Carolina, Benjamin, number to $1.99. Seal of approval for Brown for the Cards. Team symbol for the Jacksonville for Mr. Lee, number to $99. Irvin for the Cowboys, number to $49. West for the Browns, number to $2.99. Latimer for the Broncos, number to $1.99. Seal of approval for the Falcons, Matt Ryan, $1.49. Jimmy Garoppolo, seal of approval, $1.49. Dual auto for the Jets, number to $99. Adams, $1.99, Green Bay. Andrew Luck to $99 for the Colts. Team symbols, number to $99 for the Browns, Johnny Manziel. Gold auto for Mr. Nelson for Green Bay, number 75. Sankey for Tennessee, number to $99. Seal of approval for Spiller for Buffalo, $1.49. $1.99 for Clowney. I think you have a Ram base. We're finna to find out. We got 2 more stacks to go through. Phillip Rivers, seal of approval, $1.49. Benjamin, auto, 75 out of 199. Carolina. The dual for Smith and Murray, number to 149, Kansas City. Graham, 199 for the Saints. Freeman for the Falcons, seal of approval, 149. Richardson for the Seahawks, 199. Cooks, $2.99 for the Saints. Murray, $99 for Dallas. Ebron, seal of approval, $149. And the last ones, Morris, seal of approval, Redskins. Andrew Luck, gold standard, number 3 of 10, Colts. Dual auto, number to 99, Tampa Bay. Thomas for the Chiefs, 99. Dual for the Raiders, team symbol, number to 25. dual auto for the Ravens, 99. Jimmy Garoppolo, 299. Patriots. Elway, 99. Murray, 199. Boss man, I'm sorry. I thought there was a Rams hit in there, but there's not. I apologize. I thought there was a base. I thought there was, buddy. I apologize, man. All right, guys. I think that's it for the night. If everybody wants to join me tomorrow night, we're doing the other half of the National Treasures, and we're going to start on some mini helmets and triple threads next week. So, guys, if you want to check it out, come join me. We've got 4 breaks of mini helmets, and I think a break of triple threads, a break of National Treasures, and I'll be purchasing some more stuff tomorrow to get us going. Guys, thank you very much for joining me tonight. Hope you had a great time. No, sir. There was no ram hit at all, buddy. There was no Rams hit at all. The only thing I can think of is the National Treasure must have had a base of it. I do apologize, buddy. I wish I could give everybody something. All right, guys. Once again, thank you for joining me. Catch up with me this upcoming week. I've got a break every night. Like I said, we've got some mini helmets coming up. We got some triple threads, 2 more boxes of National Treasures. So keep up with my eBay page, guys. I'll be listing some more stuff here in the next couple of days for the next weekend and into the following week. Y'all guys have a great night. Enjoy the rest of your evening. And hopefully I'll see y'all tomorrow.